Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G84, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen like so. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and one of those toggles should be a power saving toggle. For me, it is on the second page right over here. Once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It brings up this window right here. Turn on battery saver. Battery saver turns on dark theme, restricts background activity, and delays notifications. Now, out of all these, the last part, delays notifications, is the most important one. Let's select turn on, and let me quickly go into how it's doing that. So the reason it's going to be delaying notifications is because it's going to turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data, the two ways that for the most part majority of the notifications are being delivered to you, minus messages from, like, obviously your SMS messages. So it's going to disable Wi-Fi and mobile data and reconnect to it every so often. That's why it's going to be delayed. So you might be obviously experiencing that notifications are being delayed in delivery to you. And I don't know how often it actually reconnects. It could be every 10 minutes, could be every half an hour. I'm not aware. You need to check that out. But obviously, if that is something that you have a problem with, that you don't want your phone to do, you just need to turn off your power saving mode. And to do so, you can find the power saving mode once more, or battery saver as it's called, and tap on it. And now it's off, and everything should go back to functioning normally as it did before. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.